do is make a basic yellow cake, right? So you're gonna use your 2 sticks of butter that's been set to room temperature. Should just drop in there. You just got the, okay, I'll take the paper. More. Okay, now shake it out. Okay, now pour all the sugar in there. All right, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to cream this. So lock it and just put it on the first lever. First turn it back off, let's pump it up. All right, put it on the first lever. Let's put 3 cups of cake flour in there. Up to here is 2 cups. If you don't try to pour it all at one time, it'll come out easier. So what's happening to the flour is bottlenecking at the opening. Got that? Now you want to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. There you go. No, you're not adding color to all this. Didn't you say you wanted 2 different colors?
Yeah, the icing.
Oh, the icing, not the cake.
Or the cake could be. Yeah.
You got flour in the jam for doing it. Let the thing down, don't drop it this time. Lock it. Turn it up to about 4 for about 15 seconds. Always put your top back on your products in case you knock something over. Straighten that everything is smooth. Try to take your time, because every time you stir, you're creating a thing called gluten, which make your cake tough. Grab a side so you don't mess. Okay. No, just put it inside the thing. There you go. Now do the other one. You want to make sure that's as close to what the other one was as possible, okay? And like I said, we're going to put it in the oven
Danielle.
for about 25 minutes at 325, okay?
You have a lot of dishes to wash. Are you going to wash them?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? What's that on your face? Is that cake? On your face, sweetheart. Cake?
Flour.
Flour?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you look so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now we start cleaning up, like every good baker should do.
She doesn't want to do it.
Do what?
Wash
You know
the
what?
dishes.
I do.
I'll act as a
You
sous
do?
chef and I'll clean up behind you, okay? So let's put up this stuff here.
Meal is getting big. You don't want it to come out? All right, let me get some more flour.
That's sugar.
Oh, yeah. Sugar. You know? Who's going to help Daddy? Danielle wants about the flour.
I want to help.
Okay, here, Danielle. She wants to feel like she's a big bake with all the flour on her.
I want to tell my.
You want something? Why do you want the flour on your face, Danielle? To prove that you're doing something? Ah, look at Elisha's face. You have messy face too? It's Danielle, and she's 12 years old. She's almost as tall as me. And Elijah, no, you're not that tall. It's your
Yes, I
hair.
am. Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
See,
So,
I've grown taller.
Yeah.
Isn't it good? It's like
so Danielle just turned 12 yesterday, guys, and oh my goodness. So we're pretty excited. We took her out yesterday. She didn't want to be bothered this year to do much, so you know, we just took her to somewhere simple, and she wanted to bake her own cake this year, so we just allow her to. A lot of other color. Pink, are you
Those
using
don't-
green and pink?
How do you use pink?
What about blue?
And what color did you put in there? Pink and what color?
Pink and purple.
And purple. I thought you were going to use blue. The icing? Okay, so you're doing pink and purple and then the blue icing. Oh my gosh, can't wait for it. So, you're pretty excited? Okay, so Don is cleaning up, and I guess you're the cleanup person,
Yes, I
right?
am. Okay.
Quite shy like myself, so except for Elijah is not that much shy.
Elijah's like me.
Elijah is like Don, he's more outspoken. He likes to be in the spotlight.
I don't like to be at school. Trying to say here.
No.
I want
No, I'm seeing the color.
to see.
How dark it is.
I want to see how dark it is on
No,
me.
no, no, no.
Please.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, I want to see.
No, not the other color.
I want to see green.
No, green is like green.
It might be dark or light. Dangle, what's your favorite thing to bake?
Food.
No, I mean which kind of cake? The cake.
Right, I like chocolate cake.
I like chocolate cake too.
You barely eat cake.
Oh, I forgot. I don't like any cakes.
What is that, Elijah? Oh my gosh. I don't know.
Okay,
what to do that.
now
I like
the
that one
floss.
better.
Wait, now move out the way.
I don't know.
Ma, you're doing it actually a little bit right.
That's how you
Mommy, first,
No?
Mommy, first do this.
Yeah.
No, like this.
So?
No, put your arm, first put your arm like that. My first put your,
Wait, yeah, okay.
put your straight
Daniel,
arm
you
like,
have to teach me color.
Like
okay,
this.
yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. And then out, then side, other side.
Oh, like
Wait.
this. It's like
I-
this.
I
Not
can-
to shoot.
Shoot.
Mommy, you're doing it. First you do this, and then you do that. Okay, now
Like
this. So first you start off like this. Do that. No, you have to do your
I can do the
this.
shoot.
No, first you have to put your hands like this. Put your hands like this,
I like the floss.
and then go.
Well, now that we got the cakes done, what I'm gonna do is cut these cakes in half. So she's actually gonna have a 4-layer cake. She chose the color for the cakes to be, which is some kind of odd looking pink. We'll see though. Got a nice little plate for it. Gonna use a serrated knife, and it's gonna try to eyeball it all around slowly. Danielle, why don't you take the butter out? I'm going to put the attachment on for making this. And this butter's been out for room temperature for the most part of the day. So it should be nice and soft. What we're going to do is we're going to add some powdered sugar before we put that in there. And this is 2 pounds. I noticed you probably noticed I only got 1 stick of butter in there. Most of the time people will put 2 sticks of butter in there. But I think we can suffice with this cake. And she's gonna actually dye our icing once it's formulated. So my eyeball, this is how much powdered sugar I'm putting in here. At least half a bag, I know that much. teaspoon of vanilla extract in there. And normally, folks, I would put some simple syrup, make a simple syrup, and I would brush these just to keep it fresh. Okay, put it on stir. You don't want to ever start faster than stir, because of what? Everywhere. It's a mess, man. So you just want to incorporate this a little bit. You see how it's starting to look crumbly almost? One. A little more. And get some more. What you're going to do is try to put a nice even thing around it. Go around as many times, but only go on that one layer, okay? And press from the back. You hold it really like that. It's the point, and you just turn it, okay? I'm only going to help take out these pins to keep the cake straight. And then if anything needs to be touched up to make it look aesthetically nice, I'll come in here. All right? Let me know when you're finished.
This is pretty. Did she mix it? Did you mix it like that? Hi everyone. Hey guys, so that's it. Danielle is finished making her cake, and this is actually the next day because we were pretty up late last night. I think it was about 11 o'clock or so. So, you know, we decided to let it cool down a bit and finish it the next day. So she just finished decorating it and it looks absolutely beautiful. I'm loving it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So this is my beautiful baby. She turns 12 and you know she decided to make her cake. So we're like, okay. And I think you did a pretty good job and I can't wait to taste it. So thank you guys. We love and appreciate you and thank you for joining us, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye bye.